Hey everyone, how's it going? Got the F-350 back here today, and I'm going to be putting on that new bumper that I got. I already painted it black. I did the undercoat, and then I did a few coats of clear coat. I think it looks pretty cool. It's going to look a lot better on there. As you can see on here, on the corner, the plastic's all ripped off. So yeah, I'm going to throw that on. I'll show you guys how to take this one off. It's really easy. There's only 2 bolts. The hardest part is going to be if they're seized on there. So we'll see if they're seized on there, and we'll get this new one on there. All right, guys. So first step, I have a aftermarket trailer hitch here. So I have to take out these 4 Phillips, and then I'll be able to take out these 2 bolts and take this bracket off. And then you come under here and you look up here, and there's these 2 bolts, and that's on the driver's side. And then you come to the passenger side, and there's those 2 bolts, and that's all that's holding the bumper on. Just make sure before you take the bumper off that you unplug your lights and any other electrical connections that you may have. So on mine, that's why I have to take the trailer hitch off, and then I will be free to remove the rear bumper. Alright, got that bumper off. I've used that little tiny breaker bar. Other than that, it wasn't bad though. Let's see where those bolts are there. On that side. So yeah, one other problem that I had here is down there to get that spare tire down, the tool is not connecting. So I might just cut that wire that you see there, because that spare tire is useless anyways, because I got the 35s on there. So this tire won't be able to do anything. So yeah, I'm gonna probably cut that down, and I'm going to reattach this inner fender well. And one other thing is this fender flare. I guess the bolt fell off there, so I'll just put a new bolt in there. But yeah, I'm going to just clean up in there a bit. Probably take that spare tire down, and then I can put that bumper on. Alright, got the spare tire out. I did cut the wire. I know, but that was the only thing I could do at the time, and like I said, that won't work on here because I have the 35s. So that's useless anyways, and when I get my new tires, because these ones are bald, I will put the spare in the box. So yeah, that part's done. You can see she's a little rusty there. That'll be taken care of in the summertime. But instead of putting this in my bumper like the last person did, they were just being lazy, I'm just going to mount it onto the factory. Everything lines up. So yeah, I'm going to mount that there. Alright, got the new bumper on. looks so nice. I know the rest of the truck is dirty, but yeah, that bumper came out really good. I only managed to get one of the LED lights in for the license plate lights because the other side is broken, so I'm gonna have to grab one either from the parts store, get a new one, or go over to Pick and Pull. But yeah, just another thing done on the truck. Next thing that I want to do is take all that chrome off on the bottom and that body molding, and then from this body line down and the fender flares, I'm going to paint with that rock guard as well, and then clear coat it. So yeah, thumbs up for the cool bumper if you like the video, and thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys have a great night.